Hey guys, welcome back to David's tutorial. Today I'll show you how to find the best-selling Labubu characters in the Pop Mart app.
First, open the Pop Mart app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, just download it from the App Store or Google Play. It's free. Once you're in, make sure you're logged in. Now head over to the Store tab at the bottom. This is where you'll see the latest blind boxes, collaborations, and trending characters. To find the best-selling Labubu figures, tap the search bar at the top and type in Labubu. This will show you all the available collections like Labubu Zodiac, Monster Series, Jungle Mystery, and more. Now here's the trick. Look for listings that have hot or trending tag, or those appearing at the very top. These usually represent the most popular or best-selling items in real time. You can also tap on Labubu series and scroll down to see user reviews and ratings. That helps a lot in spotting which characters people are actually buying and loving. Lastly, if you want to stay updated, go back to the homepage and check the top picks section. PopMart often features popular and high-selling collections there, and especially for fan favorites like Labubu. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching David's tutorials.